ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. We finished these sutras, right? Anybody has any doubt? We were seeing some vakyas also. I have shared the screen, right?
Some
Fourth one. In Udaharana Vakyas, fourth one onwards, we have to see. Yes, please. Anybody can start. Anybody?
मम छात्राः अग्नौ जुहोति जुहोतु जुहयात् अजुहोत् होष्यति वा
Not Chatraha, Chatraha.
छात्रः విద్యార్థి అగ్నిలో ఆహుతి ఇస్తున్నాడమ్మా
Agniki.
అగ్నికి ఆహుతి ఇస్తున్నాడు ఆహుతి ఇవ్వాలి
Same. Lot Vidhiling.
ఇవ్వాలి అజుహోత్ ఇచ్చాడు ఇస్తాడు లేదా ఇస్తాడు.
In English? Anybody?
Chatra is making an offering in the Agni. Should offer in the Agni. And then again, Vidhiling may offer in the Agni. Has made an offering in the Agni. Will be offering in the Agni. Or will be offering in the Agni.
Next, Sanskrit Banavo. Lep pratyaya. By using lep pratyaya, we have to make the vakyas. Prabhaji?
गुरुजी को जल ला कर दो. गुरुम जलम आनय.
Two Kriya Padas should come here.
Oh, right.
Lep.
La kar do. Is that how we kind of take? So gurum jalam.
Can you translate the English?
Bring water and give to the. Oh, that's okay. Bring water and give to the guru.
Guru. So Guru should be in.
But if we say dadati, then it will be in chaturthi, right?
Yes.
Gurave. No, I'm just thinking. I'm forgetting what.
Guru Chaturthi is what?
That's what I'm.
Who will decline Guru Shabda?
Guruve was right. Okay, yeah, Guruve.
Huh.
So Guruve Jalam Anaya Dadatu.
What is the dhatu for bring?
I was doing Anaya.
No. Dhatu is what?
Ni dhatu.
Ni dhatu. Ni dhatu, when we add ni lep
Oh.
pratyaya to ni dhatu, what will come?
Aniya. No. I'll pass.
Yes. Aniya. No. It's correct. Aniya.
Okay.
Aniya. So it's which lakara should come there?
Lep, right? Which
Lep is
lakara? I said dadatu.
So we are telling to someone, so
Yeah.
directly, so it is Madhyam Purusha Ekvachanam.
Yeah.
Dehi.
Oh, Dehi. Okay.
So what is the complete Vakya?
Gurum Jalam.
Guru.
Sorry, Gurave Jalam Anaya Dehi.
Anaya?
Aniya Dehi.
Yes. Next.
Purnati, instead of Dehi, can we use Yacha?
Yes, we can. Yacha is.
So basically, Gurave Jalam Aniya Yacha. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam Yacha. Or Dehi only we have to.
We can use Yacha also. Next.
श्रम से पढ़कर और परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण कर अग्रिम श्रेणी में पढ़ो। श्रम से श्रमेण पढ़कर अधीत्य परीक्षाम उत्तीर्य उत्तीर्ण अग्रिम श्रेणी उच्चतराम कक्षायां पठत।
Kaksham.
कक्षा श्रेणी कक्षा उच्चतराम कक्षे पठत पठत।
Kakshe, okay.
For Patha can be also, for Patha and Pathatat, either one we can use, right?
Oh, no, it's Pado is Madhyam Purusha, Patha. Agrima Shrenyam Patha.
So only Patha then, okay.
From Patha.
From Patha, yes.
Next one. Umama.
Okay. राजा शत्रु का संहार करके दुष्ट पर प्रहार करके कर गुणियों का उपकार कर पापियों का अपकार कर और सुख का अनुभव कर ब्राह्मणों को दान देता है। राजा शत्रुम प्रहृत्य, is it shatrum, is it dvitiya, or is it
Shatrun.
Shatrun, sorry.
Okay, is it Ekavachana?
Yeah, it is one.
Okay. Shatrum.
Okay. Shatrum prahritya दुष्टम दुष्ट पर okay. that is also prahara. Does that also become prahritya?
Praharya.
Praharya. Okay.
Hmm.
Praharya. So that is dushtam or dushte?
We can use Dvitiya.
Dvitiya. Okay.
Hmm.
Dushtam praharya. Guniyo. Gunani upakarya. Papani apakari.
Gunani. Is that indicating the person or is it indicating the gunas?
It is indicating gunas.
Guniyonka.
Person.
Is it dharmi or okay?
Yes, dharmi.
Good question. I took it as dharma, but maybe it is dharmi, right? It is the
Yes.
one who, okay, guniyonka, okay, upakarkar, okay, that makes sense. Gunin ko. So gunin, what is chaturthi of gunin? I don't know.
You can take like dharmavan. Dharmavan is
Gunavan.
Gunavan.
So, but it is gunavanta, right? Gunavantam.
Gunavan, gunavantau, gunavantaha. Gunavantam, gunavantau, gunavataha.
Okay, gunavataha. Gunavataha upakarya. Okay, that was.
Yes.
Gunavataha upakarya. Papiyonka. This is also those who have papiyonka upakar. So that means Papavantaha or vataha?
Vataha. What happens is, first 5 pratyas will get nakara. Like Bhagavan, Bhagavantau, Bhagavantaha. Bhagavantam, Bhagavantau. Then Dvitiya Bahuvachanam Bhagavataha. Nakara will not be there.
Okay. And is that true for Guni also? Gunavataha it is?
Yes. Gunavataha only.
Okay. So I said Gunavanta, so that was wrong. Papavataha apakarya sukha ka anubhav sukha ka anubhav kar. Sukham
Anubhuya.
Sukham anubhuya brahmanaya, or is it plural? So it has brahmanebhyah danam deta hai. So the deta hai, danam karoti or
Dadati.
Dadati. Dadati.
One question, Purnaji, for can we use Guninaha upakritya and Papinaha apakritya?
Upakritya.
Upakarya.
Yes.
Instead of upakarya and apakarya, can we use that's
yes.
okay?
We can use kritya.
Okay. And then for sukham anubhuya, can we use sukhena anubhuya? No, sukham anubhuya only.
Sukhena anubhuya. Yes, Tritiya should come there.
Tritiya. Oh, that's why.
Yes, yes, yes.
One more point there. It's Guniyo. So either Gunavatam or Guninam. Wouldn't that be better?
Mm-hmm. Shashti, you are asking?
So Shashti plural. Shashti is what we used, but it says Guniyo. So plural.
We used Dvitiya plural.
Oh.
Hmm. Like
Yeah.
Gunavan, if we take Gunavan, Gunavantau, Gunavantaha, Gunavantam, Gunavantau, Gunavataha. Right?
Yeah. Because Dvivachan, sorry, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan and Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam is the same.
Hmm.
That's,
Yes, yes. Panchami also same. Panchami Ekavachanam. Okay, next. Sejal ji, do you know about Lepratia?
No, Purnaji, I'm so sorry. This is a very high level Sanskrit for me. I just
Oh.
know basic Sanskrit.
Okay, no problem. When after finishing this chapter, then next chapter onwards you will be able to catch up.
Okay. I will
Yeah.
reach out to you again after the class. But thank
Okay.
you so much for having me. Hurry on.
Okay,
So-
next.
One question, I think Prabha was asking, can we use Shashti Bahuvachanam instead of Dvitiya Bahuvachanam for Guniyo?
Yes, we can use Karmani Shashti.
Okay. Oh, Karmani Shashti.
Huh.
Okay.
In the sense of karma, we can use Shashti there.
Okay. Thank you.
If we look at Bhashya and Tika, many times when we translate, Dvitiya meaning will come. But most of the places, instead of Ditiya, Shashti will be there.
Thank you.
So if we are familiar with the Shashti, then it will become easy there to find out. That is good to use Shashti instead of Ditiya. Okay, next one. Upendra ji.
वणिक अन्न और पुस्तक बेचकर धन संग्रह कर दान देकर अपनी अभिलाषाओं को पूर्ण कर सुख से सोता है। वणिक अन्नम पुस्तकम च विक्रीय धन संग्रहं कृत्वा दानं दत्त्वा स्वस्य अभिलाषाः पूरयित्वा
Abhilashan.
अभिलाषान् द्वितीय बहुवचन स्वस्य अभिलाषान् स्वस्य बहुवचन करना है ना माता जी स्वस्य स्वयोः
Purna, what did you say?
स्वस्य अभिलाषान् पूरयित्वा
Purayitva is what kind of form it is?
having fulfilled amma अभिलाषाओं को पूर्ण कर.
Okay. What is the pratyaya there?
स्वा प्रत्यय अम्मा.
Any other pratyaya? Anybody?
Prapurya we can use.
Any other pratyaya is there in Purayitva?
Oh,
Can we do lyap prapurya?
Prapurya.
We supposed to do Prapurya only, but even if we do Tva Pratyaya also, it is okay. In the place of Tva only, we are replacing the Lyap. So both are okay. But my question is, Purayitva, in that, at the end, Tva Pratyaya is there. Another Pratyaya is also there. What is that another Pratyaya in that?
Is it niche?
Yes, Nich Pratyaya is there. Nich and Tva Pratyaya. Continue.
पूरयित्वा सुखेन शेति सुखेन he sleeps सुखेन शेति अम्मा
Swapiti also.
शेति स्वपिति.
Yeah.
Is it okay, Amma?
1 minute. Which lakara it is?
सोता है वर्तमान काल में.
हाँ, शेते. Not
Sheti.
sheti, shete. आत्मनेपद धातु.
शेते अम्मा.
Next one, Anusha.
बालक उठकर गुरु को प्रणाम कर सुंदर वचन उच्चारण कर और विद्यालय में आकर रुचा पड़ता है. बालकः उत्थाय गुरुं प्रणम्य सुंदर वचनम् उच्चार्य विद्यालयम् आगत्य रुचां पठति और उच्चार्यं
पढ़ता.
पठति అని చెప్పొచ్చమ్మా.
Yes. Can you repeat?
बालकः उत्थाय गुरुं प्रणम्य सुंदरं वचनं वाचम् उच्चार्य विद्यालयं
You can use vachanam also.
वचनम् उच्चार्य विद्यालयम् आगत्य रुचां पठति.
It is future, right? पढ़ता है or present tense?
Present tense, Purna ji. Padhega will be future tense.
Okay.
And for Vidyalayam Agatya, Vidyalaya Agatya. Sorry, I was on mute. Vidyalayam Agatya or Vidyalaye Agatya, Purna ji?
Vidyalaye.
Okay.
Okay.
Next. Next one. Yeah, Aparna ji, continue.
Sure. शिष्य रात्रि में सोकर प्रात उठकर अन्य छात्रों को उठाकर स्नान कर हवन कर भोजन कर पुस्तक लेकर पढ़ने के लिए जाता है. शिष्यः रात्रौ प्रसुप्य प्रातः उत्थाय अन्यान्
Ratro, what is the linga and pratipadika? What kind of shabda it is?
Rat. I was trying to do Saptami Ekavachanam, so.
Yes. That I understood.
So,
So you have taken Hari Shabda, Harau,
huh.
but Ratri is Strilinga Shabda.
Oh,
Like Mati.
okay. So, it should be,
Yam.
okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
Sorry. Okay. प्रातः उत्थाय अन्यान् छात्रान् उत्थाप्य स्नात्वा आहूत्य भोजनं भुक्त्वा पुस्तकं गृहीत्वा पठितं गच्छति.
Can you repeat the Vakya from the beginning onwards?
Sure. शिष्यः रात्र्यां सुप्य प्रातः
Supya. So 1 minute. When we use
प्रसुप्य
left,
प्रसुप्य sorry
Supya.
प्रसुप्य प्रातः उत्थाय अन्यान् छात्रान् उत्थाप्य स्नात्वा आहूत्य
There Snatva, you used the Tva Pratyaya. Okay.
okay, भोजनं भुक्त्वा पुस्तकं गृहीत्वा पठितं गच्छति. पढ़ने के लिए जाता है. So
Patanartham Gachati.
okay, patanaartham. Oh, I was trying to just make it consistent, but okay, fine.
Chaturthi. Patanartham.
Patanaartham. Okay.
So instead of snatva, we can say prasnaya, right? Is that correct?
Yes. Prasnaya. Yes. Prasnaya. And another word is Sambhujya. Bhuktva Sambhujya. Then Pustakani Aniya. Yeah, here it is Pustak Ekavachanam Pustakam Aniya.
So instead of grihitva, I can use aniya, right?
Yes, both are same meaning. If we want to use lep pratyaya aniya, if we want tva gruhitva.
Okay.
Yes, next one. Okay, Uma Amma, can you do?
Okay, I'll try. वह सायंकाल खेलकर घूमकर पूजा कर भोजन कर और ऋचा पढ़कर सोता है. सह सायंकाले is it prakridaya? I don't know what upasarga.
Samkridya.
Sankridya. Okay.
Krid dhatu.
Kridya.
Akara gets lopa. There is krid dhatu, yeah.
And ghumkar is do we say vraja? What dhatu can I use for ghum? For
Brahma.
Brahma. No. Maybe
I was laughing.
Ghumkar. Ghumkar means what in English?
To wander. I was using vraja, samvrajya, something like that. Is that a word?
Vraj dhatu. Vraj dhatu parivrajya.
Parivrajya. That was what. That's a good one. Parivrajya. Pari. Is it vrajya? Vrajya.
I think it is Vrajya because we are familiar with Parivrajya.
Parivrajya.
But I will let you know whether Dirgha comes or not there.
Okay. Good. Then puja. Puja is pujanam, puja. Some puja.
Yes.
Okay. Some puja and some bhujya we just used. And Richam Sampatya Sheti, right? Sahas Kale Sheti.
Dhatu is Shing Shayane is Atmanepadi dhatu.
Is it Shete?
Yes.
Okay, Shete. Right.
Okay, next. Upendra ji.
शोक को छोड़कर वाणी कहो. शोकम परित्यज्य वाणिम वाणिम वचनम वद
वग्धि
त्वं शोकम परित्यज्य वचनम
वद धातु वग्धि
वग्धि। पूरा हो गया। त्वं शोकम परित्यज्य वग्धि
वचनम वग्धि।
वचनम वग्धि।
Can we use Kathaya Purnaji instead of Bhakti?
Yes, we can. Next, Anusha.
అమ్మ కొంచెం పైకి పెట్టరా. కోయల్ और कोयल के पंख
Okay.
काले होते हैं.
We'll do this part next class. For
9:30.
is 9:30, na? Okay, continue. Sorry.
कोयल और कोय के पंख काले होते हैं. कोकिला च काकस्य कृष्णः भवति. कृष्णाः भवति.
Kokila is Strilinga or Pullinga?
पुल्लिङ्गम्.
Pullinga. Kokila cha Strilinga or Pullinga?
कोकिला.
Okay, it should be Pullinga only. Now
कोकिला च काकस्य कृष्णाः भवति.
Kokila also you should use the Sashashti.
ओके अम्मा. कोकिलस्य च काकस्य कृष्णाः भवति. पंकाः कृष्णाः भवति.
कृष्णः एकवचनम्.
ओके.
कोकिलस्य काकस्य च पंकाः कृष्णः भवन्ति. प्लूरल भवन्ति.
पंखाः पूर्णजी
पंखाः because it is plural. These wings are not even bird, na?
Right.
Kokila and kaka.
Pakshaha is from Pakshaha. Panktaha is better, I think. Yes.
Is there Pakshaha?
I'm asking actually. Pakshaha. So no, but that's
Pankha is correct word.
Yeah, Panktaha is right. Okay.
Next. We can finish this chapter today. Next, Aparna ji.
मोर नाच कर, हंस चल कर, तोता बोल कर, चातक मेघ की ओर देखकर, खजन उड़कर, कबूतर, चील, बगुला और बाज अपनी क्रीड़ा से मन को हरते हैं. मयूरः नर्तयित्वा, हंसः चलित्वा, शुकः उदित्वा, चातकः मेघं प्रति दृष्ट्वा, खच्चनः उड्डीय, कपोतः, चिल्लः, बकः, शयेनश्च स्वकीयया क्रीडया मनः हरन्ति.
उड्डीयते.
1 minute, I will tell. Mayuraha. After Mayuraha,
the bracket was Uddiya, that's why.
1 minute. Mayuraha. What is the Kriya Pada after that?
Nartritva. Nachkar, right? I thought it was Nachkar. Yeah, Nachkar.
What is the dhatu for Nartrutva?
Nritya. Nritya, right? Nritya, I think. Nachkar is that one, right?
Nritya, we can use directly Nritya as lap pratyaya, samnritya.
Okay, okay, okay. Samritya.
Nrit is the dhatu.
Mm-hmm. Samritya, okay. Mayurah samritya hamsah chalitva shukah uditva chatakah megham prati
Uditva, what is the dhatu?
uditva. Uttha, like ud. One second. Both are. Which one was I writing? Udkar. Uddiya is this one, right? No, Khajana is Uddiya.
Shukaha.
Shukaha.
Where in this, what is the Hindi word here?
It is
Bol,
huh?
Bolkar is the Hindi word. I think Vach is the dhatu. So if you want to use twa, it will be uktva, no?
Uktva.
Uditva. Sorry, Uditva nahi.
But that is twa pratyaya. We are doing lyap this time, right?
Yes, yes.
I used Tva only. Okay. That's all right, Purnagi?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
If we want to use leprochia,
Prochya. Okay.
pra, vach dhatu, vag will get samprasaranam, chia, uchya, vachya, uchya, prochya. Next.
Anything else I have to say, Purnagi?
Yes, yes. Continue the vakya.
Okay.
Completely.
Okay. Chatakah megham prati drishtva khajjanah udiya kapotah chillaha bakah.
Uddiya. It is uddiya.
Here it is there, right? Khajjanah udkar.
Uddiya, not udiya.
Uddiya only. Sorry, I must have mentioned it, pronounced it incorrectly. Uddiya kapotah chillaha bakah shayena cha swakiyaya kridaya manah haranti. Or harati or haranti, because there's so many birds. Harte hain, yeah, so haranti.
Where is Shayanaha? Some word you used?
Shena, she
Shain,
mentioned.
bajah, right?
Baja. Shyena. Shyena, what is
Bajah
that?
is shena, no?
Eagle.
Eagle, yeah.
Okay.
That one.
Okay. Swakiyehi kridaihi manaha.
Krida. So, swaki kridaya manah haranti.
Yes. Okay, let lakara. Next. Upendra ji?
मैना बोलती है, बत्तख इधर आती है, चिड़िया उड़ती है, उल्लू चलती है, गीद देखता है, मुर्गा भागता है, चकवा रोता है और टिटहरी उड़ती है. मैना सारिका वदती सारिका
What is it? Vadati?
बोलती है, वदति,
Hmm.
all in वर्तमानम्, वर्तमानम्. सारिका वदति, बत्तकः इधर अत्र आगच्छति, चिड़िया चिड़िया चिड़िया
Chataka.
Chatka.
Chataka.
Is it
Chatak.
Chataka or Chatka?
This is not Hindi, right? It is Sanskrit.
చటక అమ్మ సంస్కృత్ లో కూడా.
Okay.
And I thought Battaka was Hindi.
चटका is there, amma.
Okay.
चटका, चटका.
Battaka was Hindi, I thought. It is Vartika is in Sanskrit.
चटका, चटका उड्डीयति, उल्लू उड्डयते, उलूकः क्रन्दति, क्रन्दति,
Krandate. Atmanepadi.
आत्मनेपदे. अच्छा. क्रन्दते, गीद माने को, गृध्रः पश्यति, कुक्कुटः धावति, चकवा
Chakravakah.
चक्रवाकः रुद् can I use from
Rodhati.
चक्रवाकः रोदति, टिट्टिवः उड्डयते.
For Kukutaha, what did you use?
धावति.
Okay. Next.
So is it for Rud, is it Rodati or Rodate?
Rodhati. Parasmaipadi.
Okay.
I think so. Next.
राम अग्नि में हवन करता है, रामः अग्नौ हवनं करोति.
Havanam. Okay. Instead of Havanam, you can use one word Juhoti.
So it will be Ramah Agnau Juhoti Purnaji, or only Ramah?
1 minute. Havanam means what?
Havanam means the sacrificial fire. So Juhoti is correct.
What did you say, Uma? Havanam means?
Havanam means that sacrificial fire, the Havana Kunda we use for yajna.
Havana means that place where there we keep the bricks and all. That is called Havana. Havana is not Kriya.
But here it is used in the sense of Kriya. It says Agni me. So Juhoti is correct. Right? So Agni Juhoti, yeah.
Yes. Next. Is there any doubt in that?
No.
Somebody was asking. Okay, next. Aparna ji.
Tvam Juhoshi. तू हवन करता है.
Is it? Okay,
Yes.
I'm looking at the table here and it says Lot lakar is juhudhi or juhoshi is it lat lakara or
So havan karta hai.
is not okay? Is lat.
It's lat
Juhoshi is correct. Okay.
Right.
Next.
Aham juhomi, मैं हवन करता हूँ.
Aham juhami. Okay. Earlier this rud dhatu came na.
Yes.
There is no rodhati form is not there. Rodhate is also not there. Rudhyate.
Okay. Thank
The
you.
form is rudhyate.
Chakravakah rudhyate amma.
Yes, yes.
Okay, amma.
Next. Next. Upendra ji.
वह हवन करे. सह करे करे वह हवनम कुर्यात.
You don't need to use havanam. You can use juhotu.
सह जुहोतु.
That's all. Next. Anusha.
Tvam juhoshi.
It's not lat lakara. It is lot. Right?
Yes.
Tvam
juhudhi.
Yes. Tvam juhud. Next. Okay, anyone can tell fastly so that we can finish.
Devah ajuhot.
Aham ajuhavam.
Next.
Saha hoshyati.
Next.
Aham huyat. Huyat.
Future tense. Hoshyami.
Hoshyami. Aham hoshyami.
Hoshyami. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.